Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and this is the Soulstice Shoppe Essentials box for January. Let's check it out. So we got a little poop here. We've got a paper with the item list. So let's check out what I can figure out. So this looks like some kind of smudge. I want to say it's white sage with flowers. I'm not sure what the flowers are. We have a little bag that had purple, pink, and yellow chime candles. Chunky ones too. Neroli incense. Yum, yum, yum. We have a beautiful bracelet with a bag to put it in. So a little velveteen bag and a bracelet with charms on it. Very interesting. Ooh, we've got an oil. Let's see what we got. Espiritu, sweet clover. Oh, nice. It smells like a freshly mown lawn, and I don't have this, so definitely winner, winner, chicken dinner right there. And then we have a pendulum mat. And it looks like ink, which I actually only have one other thing of ink, but let me see. Tinta, ink, deer blood, sangre de venado. Doesn't smell like anything, but I'm very interested in how you would use this. So let's read this little paper here. January 2022 items list. Pink, purple, and yellow chime candles. Om Mani Padme Hum gold tone and Om. Oh, Om, the symbols on the thing. Om Mani Padme Hum gold tone engraved on black onyx bracelet. Neroli incense. Orange Sinatwa flowers with white sage cleansing stick. It's really vibrant. It's really beautiful. Moon phase pendulum mat, clover sweet oil, and deer blood ink. I hope you enjoy incorporating these items into your everyday magic. If you would like to learn more about the products in your box, please visit our blog space on Soulstice Shoppe website. Nice. So this is a box, pretty inexpensive in my opinion. It's about $30. And it's just basically sending you little things to stock your witchy cabinet, your apothecary. So we have a mat you can use with a pendulum. We have ink, which I don't have. Otherwise, the sweet clover oil I don't have, and I'm actually really excited about that. And then just the bracelet, the incense, the cleansing stick. All of it's just really nice, simple things. Like if you live rural, or if you just, you know, want to be surprised, which is what I originally liked about it. That it would just come to your door and kind of take the guesswork out of like, oh, what am I going to... Actually, I'm going to keep that. I keep the packaging because when I send stuff to you guys, I recycle the packaging because it's good for the earth. Anyway, so just like, if you've ever wanted to just stock up your cabinet of witchery, just build up your tools and have like a little surprise in it, I think this is a really nice box for a reasonable price. And I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.